आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले एक हॉट एंड स्लाइटली स्केरी टॉपिक इज एआई एक्चुअली टेकिंग टेक जॉब्स एंड दिस टाइम वी आर नॉट जस्ट थ्रोइंग ओपिनियंस वी आर टॉकिंग रियल डेटा एग्जांपल्स एंड रिपोर्ट्स बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग वी फर्स्ट हैव टू सी हाउ दिस एआई इमर्ज्ड। इंसान दुनिया के सबसे इंटेलिजेंट स्पीशीज थे, नॉट द फास्टेस्ट, नॉट द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, बट डेफिनेटली द स्मार्टेस्ट। बट नाउ द स्टोरी इज अबाउट टू चेंज। अ न्यू फॉर्म ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस इज राइजिंग and that is not human. Thousands of years ago we were just another animal, but there was something special about us. We had the power of intelligence. हमने tools बनाए, हमने fire को discover किया, we created tribes and we survived. Then came farming, kingdoms, books, computers and finally the internet. All because of one thing, human intelligence and the will to survive. But now we are building something that might just oversmart us. And now let's talk about that intelligence, that is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence एक टाइम तक सिर्फ साइंस फिक्शन का कॉन्सेप्ट था. We had systems, we had the internet, but we didn't have the computational power. But due to technological advancement, our system got stronger and now we can implement AI. So इसका मतलब जो कल तक साइंस फिक्शन लगता था, आज वो रियलिटी बन चुका है. अब AI सिर्फ कैलकुलेशन नहीं करता, it has started to think. GPT-4 आज की तारीख में आपके एसेज लिख रहा है, आपके इंटरव्यू क्रैक करवाने में आपकी मदद कर रहा है, आपके कोड को सॉल्व करने में आपकी मदद कर रहा है. मिड जर्नी एंड डैली जैसे मॉडल्स आर क्रिएटिंग योर पोस्टर्स, योर डिजाइन्स, योर ग्राफिक्स एंड योर पेंटिंग्स. ऑटो जीपीटी, डेविन, कर्सर जैसे कई सारे एजेंट्स अब सारे के सारे काम खुद से कर रहे हैं. सो वी कैन से मशीन्स आर नो लॉन्गर जस्ट टूल्स, दे आर बिकमिंग माइंड्स. इंसान अभी भी इमोशनली एंड मॉरली एआई से आगे है, बट लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट, फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग? Experts are saying by 2030 we will reach the age of AGI. AGI is Artificial General Intelligence. मतलब एक ऐसी मशीन जो हर काम इंसान की तरह कर सकती है या फिर उससे भी बेटर. Imagine a brain that never sleeps, never forgets and learns 1,000 times faster than you. Pretty scary, right? But don't worry, we are not here to discuss the power of AI. We are here to see what AI is doing to our tech jobs right now. Yes guys, the AI wave is hitting tech and it's real. अब आप सोच रहे हो कौन कौन से roles? Well, tech adjacent roles like graphic designing tools like Canva, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney are creating high quality visuals very fast. Web dev tools like GitHub Copilot, Augment Code, Wix are creating full-fledged website in just a single prompt. Presentation and reporting tools like Beautiful AI, Gamma are creating text and reports very fast. And trust me, these roles are slowly getting automated. And this is not just talk. Reports from TechCrunch, Washington Post, allwork.space clearly shows that layoffs are happening right now and even some companies are openly saying AI is the reason. IBM ने अनाउंस किया कि वो 30% HR roles को ऑटोमेट करेंगे. Dropbox laid off 500 employees to shift towards AI. और सिर्फ टेक की बात नहीं हो रही है. Klarna जो कि एक फिनटेक कंपनी है, उसने अपने कस्टमर सर्विसेज को AI से रिप्लेस कर दिया. And guess what? AI is faster and more accurate. OpenAI study shows that AI is helping companies to automate their content, testing and even decision making. So yeah, AI is taking our jobs and it's not a future talk anymore. और अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि अब भी ये सब चीजें हाइप है, here are some sources. World Economic Forum, McKinsey, TechCrunch, Washington Post, BBC, OpenAI studies, Goldman Sachs report. So I think now you can look at the bigger picture, what AI is capable of. Now here's the interesting part. AI is killing some jobs, but it is also creating new roles as well. Roles of AI and ML specialists grow very fast after generative AI. 2015 के पहले डेटा को गैदर करना मुश्किल था, but now AI is helping to gather the data, collect the data, and that's why data analyst jobs are also getting high in demand. A new role that is prompt engineering is also booming in the market of US. Using the power of AI, UX designer are also creating epic things. Now in companies there are AI trainers and policy experts as well. Even World Economic Forums की report कहती है 69 million new jobs will be created because of AI. So let's be honest, job जाएंगी, job आएंगी, but if you stay updated with the market trends, no one can replace you. So now you have to learn faster and upskill yourself. So here's what you should focus on. If you were in 2015 और आपको जॉब चाहिए, it was very easy. अगर आपको HTML, CSS, JavaScript के बेसिक्स आते हैं तो भी आपको जॉब्स मिल जाती थी. But now the story has changed. It's 2025 now. You have to adopt yourself with the AI tools like Grok, ChatGPT, Anthropic, Gemini. There are many tools and you have to just learn these tools. You have to improve your creativity because basic creativity designs तो अब AI भी बना पा रहा है. You have to get good at prompt engineering. ये एक super power skill बन चुका है. In short, you have to stay adaptable and stay hungry for learnings. Because what AI can do in future is all speculative. No one knows. But one thing is confirmed. We will help you stay updated in this AI era. So अब आपका क्या प्लान है इस AI era में सर्वाइव करने का? कमेंट करके बताओ. एंड अगर ये आपको वीडियो यूजफुल लगा तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट द बिगिनिंग ऑफ AI. There is much more to go.